I think it's, ano naman, once you're part of the national team, you're always gonna be part of the national team. And once you're called, uh, part of me talaga, hindi laging buo yung puso to serve dahil alam ko kung gaano naghihirap and gaano kasayang mag-represent din ng country. Siguro yun din. And parang ang dami pa rin mga things na gusto kong matutunan sa mga coaches at sa mga bata na makakasama namin dito sa national team. Kaya parang hindi rin ako nagsasawa or hindi ako nagdadalawang isip pag tinatawag ng national team. But at the end of the day, at this point in my career also, sabi nga ni Coach, nag-mature na din kami. Hopefully our experience will bring so much more in this team, not only in terms of playing, but also hopefully helping the coaches, guide the players, and hopefully maging inspiration din kami sa loob ng national team. Siguro yun yung isa sa mga things na hopefully madala namin dito sa national team.